So we're going down for breakfast. Yeah.
Anyway, the roads are a disaster.
I saw the stones, tires on the streets.
We usually like to explore every destination we visit deep, but not like this. Trip for us is like quite the biggest
Intense.
than usually.
Yeah. We go to these Picos de Europa, for example, the mountains in Cantabria in Spain, and we spend like 7 days just just discovering one part of the mountains, like.
Aguayos de nieve, blancos como el pensamiento, y si en la noche llueve, la lágrima de un momento, y la banderita campestre.
We're now in Taquile town square, and we are 3,950 meters above sea level.
Polleras multicolores, cuál fue la realidad de Juanito. En pesar de mis amores, ponen tus ojos risueños, luces de mil.
We're now in Juliaca Airport, going to